Hello guys, welcome back to Basic Beginner Series, where I am going to teach you some basic tricks. We're on week 3 and we're going to learn this hourglass bounce. So if you're new here, please do subscribe, please do leave us a like and a comment, I'll be sure to get back to you. My name's Anthony Trickshot Taylor and I'll be your Nunchaku instructor today. Enjoy the tutorial. So guys, right, this one's pretty simple, so I'll just get straight to the point. You're going to start on you can bring your right hand up to your right shoulder. So I'm bringing this up from here to here. From there, you're going to bring this across from your right shoulder all the way to your left shoulder, making sure that you're keeping on your bicep. From there, what you're going to do is you're going to bring this stick here diagonally down to this hip. From there, you're going to bring this across, so I'm bringing this across my right hip to my left hip. And then I'm going to bring this diagonally back up from my left hip all the way to my right hip. Until you can get it like this. So I'll show you now in slow. Hope that helps you out. And I'll see you again next time.